If you run a site and are looking to get it listed quickly on search engines, there really is no easier and quicker way than to also put a blog on the site. It is a known fact that search engine spiders from sites like Google and Altavista list new blogs much faster than they list news sites. However, it's not as simple as just creating a blog and letting it sit there. You have to also use tactics like pinging, linking and the use of keywords. We'll go over each so that you are able to effectively use your blog for a quick site listing. We'll also briefly go over how to host your own blog on your site. So how do I host my own blog? Anyway, the easiest way to do this is to install and run a blogging software from another company on your website server. One such software that is popular is WordPress. It's fairly easy to install and works pretty good on your site. Other blogging software options include Apache Roller Blossom Geeklog Text Pattern Lifetype. Whatever one you choose, be sure to follow the instructions provided by the company so that the installation goes smoothly. Where should I put my blog on my site? Most people who host their blog to help their site get listed quickly don't put the blog on the main page of the site, because the site isn't all about the blog. Instead they put it in its own folder at My Site Blog. But you can really put your blog anywhere on your site. So it's your call. What is pinging? It's a question that many ask. So don't feel silly if you don't know what pinging is. Pinging is essentially a tracking program installed on your blog that will notify the site which it is from whenever your blog is updated. Search engine spiders usually visit newly pinged sites most often, which is why pinging is such a crucial part of the equation to get your site listed quickly. Sites that are newly pinged will be visited by search engine spiders. A visit from the spider equals a listing on the search engine. How do I get pinging on my blog? You'll have to register with a site that offers weblog pinging. The most popular pinging program around is weblogs.com. Other programs offered include Yahoo's Blog.gs, Blog Growling, and Technorati. Once you've decided on a pinging service, you'll have to follow the instructions to install it on your blog. When you've done that, your blog will start getting pinged and visited by search engine spiders. What is linking? Linking is basically having another blog or site linked to your blog. When search engine spiders visit that site and see a link to your site, they'll visit your site. Linking is effective both for sites with blogs and those without it. How do I get linking? You get it by visiting sites blogs that are relevant to what your site is about. Then you contact the owners of those sites blogs, asking them to post a link to your site on their site. In return, you will probably have to link to their site on your site. That way, both of you are able to benefit from the linking. Why is the use of keywords important to my blog? Spiders love to visit sites with a good amount of keywords. People who read your site won't mind the use of keywords if they are lightly spread throughout the content of your pages. The key to this is to make a list of keywords relevant to your blog posting and then to try to use those keywords throughout your content. It is important to make sure, however, not to overuse keywords. Spiders have been trained to ignore sites with excessive amounts of keywords. So if you use a whole lot of keywords in the hopes of getting spiders to visit your site, it's not going to do you any good. Generally speaking, using between 2 to 6 keywords per 200-word piece of content is a good ratio. It's pleasing to both readers and search engine spiders. That's really all there is to it. Apply the above techniques to your blog and you will net your site a quick search engine listing. If you want to learn how to make money with blogging, check out this amazing offer here. http://onlinebusiness22.com